In this video, I will show you how to create a code in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the left side where your main menu is located. Here you will see the CRM button. Now, navigate to the second tile labeled Code. Inside this section, you will notice a plus button. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, start by adding a name for your code. For example, code number 2. Next, enter the amount along with your preferred currency. After that, you can select a contact to assign the code to. For instance, June. Once everything is filled out, simply click Save, and your new code will be automatically stored in your cards. And that's how to create a code in Bitrix24.